In this first episode, we begin with the principle of justice, inspired by Ki, a core virtue in the Japanese Bushidō code, related to the inner alignment that helps you make decisions with clarity, even when life is hard. This meditation is empowered by the unwavering presence of Archangel Michael, the guardian of spiritual discernment and divine protection. Justice is not a rule, it is the light of your soul making a choice. This meditation is for you if you ever felt lost in doubt, insecurity, blame, or regret. Let this meditation return you to your center and remind you that walking the right path is always worth it. Sit in a relaxed position, if possible with the spine straight. Close your eyes. Let your breath settle into your body. You are here now, safe, held, seen. Let the noise of the world aside and listen, not with your ears, but with a quiet place inside you that still remembers what is good. Take a moment now to center yourself. Breathe deeply 3 times. As you continue breathing naturally, start visualizing and feeling bright white strings of energy, like roots flowing from the base of your spine down through your legs, your toes, deep into the earth. Let these energetic roots stretch further, all the way down to the heart of the earth. Just observe them as they grow stronger, brighter, and grounding you safely. Relax and begin to feel this earth energy gently charging you. From your toes up through your legs, your spine, the arms, your trunk, the head, to the top of your head. Let it unfold naturally. Bring your attention now to the crown of your head. Visualize and feel bright white strings of energy, like tree branches, reaching up into the sky, connecting you to the sun. See them grow taller, stronger, empowered by the sun's warmth. Begin to feel this solar energy, along with the subtle radiance of the other planets, descending through those branches into the top of your head and flowing all the way down your spine to your toes. Feel yourself grounded, regenerated. Now, observe the 2 currents of energy. The earth's nurturing energy rising upward and the sun's energizing light descending downward. Feel them moving through you simultaneously, balancing and washing away what is no longer needed in your being, replenishing you with new life. Let your entire being become like a round, glowing light, harmonious, grounded, centered in your chest. Feel yourself open, alive, and ready to explore. There may have been moments in your life when someone acted unfairly, when decisions were made that hurt you, or when you made choices that you now wish you had made differently. These moments linger. They create guilt, confusion, shame, or bitterness. But you are not defined by them. Right now, just notice if such a moment comes to mind. Pick one, as we will bring it to justice in the following. This is what Ki, brightness of justice, the sword of truth, is about. The return to what is just, not in the eyes of the world, but in the wisdom of your soul. This is where Archangel Michael walks beside you, protector of truth, guardian of courage, and the one who cuts through illusion with divine clarity. Archangel Michael comes to remind you who you are. His presence invites you to choose what is right, even when it is hard or inconvenient. To act in alignment with your ethical values, even when no one is watching. To trust that even after mistakes or detours, you can return to your path, stronger, clearer, wiser. We now invoke Archangel Michael to support us in solving the issue we want to solve. Here is the invocation to Archangel Michael. Beloved Archangel Michael, thank you for standing beside me as I walk the path of truth. Thank you for your sword of clarity that cuts gently through illusion and fear. Thank you for helping me remember what is right, even when it is difficult. Because of your presence, I feel stronger, clearer, and more anchored in my soul. May I continue to act with integrity, with reverence for what is true, and with devotion to what is just. I honor your guidance, and I walk forward with courage and grace. Amen. Take a few moments to feel Archangel Michael's presence. He will protect you. We will now contemplate the following. Ask yourself, first question, what small choice would bring justice to my inner world regarding this situation right now? What small choice would bring justice to my inner world regarding this situation right now? Second question. Where can I be more honest with myself and with the others involved in this situation? Where can I be more honest with myself and with the others involved in this situation? Last question. What would be like to face myself in this situation? What would it be like to face myself in this situation? Pause this right now and take your time to write down or record your intuitive answers. Pause now. At the end of this recording, come back to revise and complete your answers and insights. Make a decision of how to act from this place of alignment the next time you are in the same or a similar situation. Write down your decision and read it a few times throughout the day, every day, until the respective situation presents itself again. And when it does, catch the opportunity. Embrace it. Become fully present and observe yourself, your impulses, your instincts. And instead of giving in blindly, consciously implement your chosen decision. Act accordingly so that you step out of the repetitive cycle that has been keeping you in that restrictive loop. When you act from clarity and inner righteousness, you begin to repair. Not because you are broken, but because you are choosing to live in alignment again. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice your inner state. Do you feel lighter? If yes, express your gratitude towards Archangel Michael. If not, try to listen deeper. What holds you back? You don't have to be perfect. You only need to return to what is right, to what is true. Each act of justice to yourself, your time, your word is an act of liberation. This is the sword of clarity that you carry, the truth that sets you free. Take this breath with you. Let it guide how you speak, how you move, how you carry your body, how you listen, and how you love. If this guided meditation touched something inside you, if you feel a quiet stirring, a remembering, I invite you to continue the journey with me. Art of Silence is my signature practice course within the Way of Spirit, a Soul's Compass universe, a 12-week online journey into presence through observing your inner patterns in silence, conscious walking, yoga, energy breathing, and increased resonance with life principles, learning to tune in to elevated Archangel's frequency of vibration, combining Japanese-inspired wisdom. This is not just a course to complete. It is a sacred rhythm to live. When your heart is ready, you will know the moment to join. I invite you to just begin.